Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Counter-Strike. You got the error of no user logon. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. In the basic step, I completely suggest you to restart your PC because many users over the internet have claimed that restarting the PC has fixed out the issue of no user logon in CSGO. Now if this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. If you are playing the game right from this desktop icon, what you need to do is to open your Steam, hit Counter Strike, and click on the option play to play Counter Strike right from here. Because sometimes the desktop icon is corrupted and you will be able to play right from the Steam menu. If this also failed, in third step, right click on Counter Strike and choose the option properties. Here, click on the local files and click on the option verify integrity of game files. It will take some time to verify the integrity, and once it is verified, go ahead and try to play the game again. Now if this also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Again in the Steam menu, click on this Steam option and choose the option settings. Here click on this download tab and you need to click on the option clear download cache. Once you hit clear download cache, your Steam will restart after clearing the cache. After restarting, go ahead and play right from the Steam menu to fix out the issue of CSGO No User Logon. Now if still getting the error of No User Logon in your CSGO, in next method, go ahead simply log out from your Steam by clicking over here and click on the option log out. Once you logged out, go ahead and again log in into the Steam to fix out the issue of CSGO No User Logon error in your Windows PC. However, if all the method fails, nextly you can do is to hit over the settings menu. In settings menu, click on the option network and internet and here click on the Wi-Fi option. This method is applicable only for the Wi-Fi users. So if you have enabled the Wi-Fi, you need to turn it off. Once you turn it off, again open up your Steam, go ahead and play the Counter Strike right from here, and this will completely fix out the issue of CSGO No User Logon error. As of now, these are the only possible ways to fix out the issue. And if this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.